Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Cpm2 and GG are compatible. This avoids wasted troubleshooting later. Once done, backup configs and any save state so you can revert if needed. Next, open Cpm2 and load the specific mod or profile you'll work on, then enable the GG interface from settings. You're now ready to attach GG to the running Cpm2 process. Make sure you pick the correct process name and keep the backup handy in case you must restore files. You attach GG to the Cpm2 process and verify the connection indicator is active. Then perform an initial exact value scan for the in-game variable you want to change. This gives a manageable result set. Once you have hits, alter the value in-game and use increased or decreased scans to narrow results. Make sure to search appropriate memory regions if values hide in different segments. When you're down to a few addresses, test by editing one address and observing behavior to confirm the correct target. You now modify the confirmed address value and test the effect in Cpm2. If it should remain static, freeze the address and observe stability. Once satisfied, save the address list and export backups so you can reapply changes later. If things go wrong, game crashes or no effect, reattach GG and retry with alternate data types or pointer scans. Sometimes values are pointers or encrypted. Make sure to restore your original configs from backup if instability continues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.